So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know that it was early last week. I put out a poll on my story and I was asking about what tire inflators do you guys use for your mowing rigs or your equipment setup, whatever you guys have. I just specifically wanted an inflator for my lawn mowing trailer just to top the tires off either on my mower or my trailer. And honestly, this thing will do all of those as well as the tires on the trailer and probably the tires on my truck. It's extremely powerful. For 99 bucks, you really can't beat it. We'll go ahead and jump into it real quick and just go over a couple of the features on this thing and check it out, y'all. Pretty cool. I just have one of my little small DeWalt batteries in it right now just for demonstration purposes. So we'll go ahead and turn the machine on. You got the two screens here. Now this screen is going to be for showing you what the tire pressure or whatever you have it plugged into is. If you plug it into your car, if you plug it into your lawnmower tire, whatever, it's going to show you that on this gauge here. And this one over here is to show you what PSI you're adjusting it to. And to adjust it, all you do is turn this dial. Now you can actually turn this dial. I'll go ahead and turn it all the way up now just for this video. I messed around with it some the other night and this machine will actually crank all the way up to 160 PSI, as you can see right there. So it goes up pretty high. It's a pretty powerful little machine. Now up above it here we have these other two buttons. Now as you can see, it's currently set to inflate mode for your tires. If you push this button, switches your display over, and that is for this side of the machine. You've got different nozzles here for your hose over there on the other end of the machine. But this right here, I'll go ahead and take this off. This little hose just clamps in right back there. See if I can do this one-handed. All right, so you're gonna line that up with the little slots that are in there and it twist locks into place. So it's locked now. This is a pretty, oh, just kidding. That was not locked, wow. Look at that. Now it's locked, all right. So you can see here on the end, this would be for like inflating an air mattress. If you were taking this thing camping, you could stick this port into your air mattress and you'd be able to inflate it. And you could also use it, I was thinking, for like a fire bellow. If you take this thing camping with you, just don't get too close to the fire with it because you probably wind up lighting the thing on fire. So go ahead and pop that off. And as you can see, it just clips around, folds over to the top there, clips back into place right there. Now on this end, we have the hose that's actually for your tires. Got a pretty decent sized little hose there. You just clip that in, screw it right onto your valve stem of your vehicle or whatever tire you're filling up. As you can see, this just twists back around up under here, snaps back into place there. You can snap that on there, tuck that away. Now, the side here, this little compartment that you can see, go ahead and undo this. Here are your hoses. I mean your plug here. Now, you can plug this into a cigarette lighter in your vehicle if for some reason your battery were to die, or if you didn't charge it all the way. You would have access to that there. As you can see, you just plug that in. It is not a charger, so you can't charge this unit itself. You would have to charge the battery, not the actual unit. So, oh, I did forget to show you this. The other button on top, push that, is a light. Pretty bright little light. Super handy for you to, if you were to use this, you just kind of pick it up and kind of carry it as sort of like a briefcase. But that's just a quick overview of this little DeWalt inflator. Now, I got this at Lowe's. They actually had 2 left. I had to set up a thing for them to email me to notify when it came in stock. They had 2 of them left. So I ran over there yesterday and purchased this one. So hopefully that answers a couple of the questions that I had been receiving. I appreciate you guys tuning in to this video, and thanks for watching, y'all. Take care. See ya.